So this one is considered a special products binomial squares problem, a special product. And the reason is because what we're doing here is we're squaring a binomial. Now, in a real simple case, so I'm going to do an extra example inside this problem. You might have x plus 2 squared. So this becomes x plus 2 times x plus 2. And what you would do is sometimes we call it the FOIL method, but it's essentially distributive property. You multiply x times x, that's x squared. That's the first. Then the outer is the 2x. Inner, there's another 2x. That's a special feature of these special products, is that the middle term shows up twice. And that the product of the last terms is a square. See, 4 is a square. And when you think of 4, by the way, as a square, you can actually imagine a square whose area is 4. So the term square actually comes from the geometric object. So the problem that we're doing is a little more complicated because of the terms inside the binomial. But you start by recognizing that what you have to do is write the expression twice. And then you're gonna FOIL. By the way, 3n squared times 3n squared, 3 times 3 is also a square, which is 9. Imagine a square that's a 3 by 3 square. Now, you're gonna add the exponents, so you're gonna get a 4. Then outer is minus 3n squared y. Inner is minus 15n squared y. And last, before continuing, let me correct something. When I did the outer, which was this term and this term, I should have gotten a minus 15. So let me make that correction here. And of course, the way to catch yourself is by knowing what I said, noting what I said earlier, which was that these should be identical. And they weren't. So, and the final term is the minus 5 times the minus 5, which is plus 25y squared. Now, what we need to do is combine the middle terms. So let me, just for the sake of making space, I'm gonna reduce this a little bit. Because I need to keep my 9n to the 4th power. Negative 15 plus negative 15 is negative 30 n squared y plus 25y squared. And that is the answer that we're looking